If you want easier access to Recycle Bin from inside the File Explorer, let me show you how to make it appear in the sidebar for both Windows 10 and 11. First, open File Explorer. Then click the View tab or the 3-dot menu in Windows 11. And select Options to open the Folder Options, aka File Explorer Options. In the Folder Options window, go to the View tab. Scroll down the Advanced Settings list and find Show All Folders and then click it. This makes system folders like Recycle Bin display in the navigation pane. Then click Apply and OK. If Recycle Bin still doesn't appear, you can use a registry tweak or simply drag and expand the navigation pane. Also, ensure you haven't hidden system icons in your navigation settings. And there you go. Recycle Bin now shows up in your File Explorer sidebar. No more switching to desktop just to access it. Please click like and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.